Hello friends and welcome to this tutorial in which we will learn about a very useful feature of Marg, that is refresh balances. So let's understand the use and benefit of refresh balances. Refresh balances can automatically deduct and resolve stock and accounts related error in Marg software. Sometimes software shows stock and account balances in entry but doesn't show in ledger or stock status. So through this feature you can easily refresh your account and stock balances as well. Now let's come to the implementation part of refresh balances. In refresh balances option, you will find four options: single item, single party and all party. To use refresh balances option, firstly you have to enable this option from operator powers. So what happens is when you go on masters refresh balances and enter on suppose single item, then this message will appear. That is, you are not authorized to use this option. That means that by default operators don't have authority to use this option. For that, firstly we will have to give permission to operator through which you can run this option. For that you will go on masters, passwords and powers and enter on update operator powers. Here you will select that user to whom you want to give authority to use refresh balance option. Then you will click on search in all. So as you will click on search in all, this window will appear in front of you in which you will search refresh, then click on accept. So Marg power window will appear in front of you in which if you want to give permission to your user for using this option, so you will set this to yes, otherwise you will set this to no. Then we will click on yes and save changes. Now by pressing Ctrl plus U key, we will re-log in from Marg user ID and password. And then we will get the authority to use refresh balances option. So firstly let's understand single item. Through this option you can refresh single item. So as you will click on this option, this message will appear in front of you. You will click on yes. After that an item window will appear in which you will select that item which you want to refresh. Like here we select Brufogestic. So as you see on your screen, that item which we selected is refreshing. Next option is all item. In all items you can refresh all the items balances all together. For that, as we will enter on all item in refresh balances, so software will show a message on which you will click yes. So now you see at your screen all the items balances are refreshing. Now after that is single party. So as we will click on it, a ledger window will appear in front of you in which you will select that ledger which you want to refresh. Like here we select Narala Pharma. So as you see on your screen, software showed a pop-up message of refresh successfully. Means software has refreshed that ledger balance which you have selected. So same as this, now we will come to next and last option of refresh balance, and that is all party, in which you can easily refresh all your parties balances, that is all the ledger balances. So for that we will enter on all party. So you will see that all party ledger balances are refreshing successfully. So friends, in this way we learned a very useful feature, that is refresh balances in Marg software. Thanks for watching.